Good morning to all my dear student. Today I am going to children revise articles with you, which is a part of determiner. And I felt that when you people are sending homeworks, lot of difficulties you are having, that where to use article. So children, first of all I must welcome you to my class. And there are two types of articles are there, which I have already written on the board. One is indefinite article, that is a or an, and the other is definite article, that is the. So we are having two types of articles here, children, a or an, and definite article the. Okay, so you can see, children, now people are confused. They think that a and an is a definite article, so it is not that. Okay, so don't get confused. We are having two articles, types of articles here. One is definite article the, and the other is indefinite article a and an. And children, now I will be telling you where to use a or an. First we will start with the indefinite article. So what is an indefinite article here? Indefinite article here is children, a and an. Okay, so children, first of all, a is always used before a consonant sound. First of all, a is always used before a consonant sound. Okay, and some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound, so we use a before these words, like children, like a dog, okay, a scale, a pencil. So these are the word which is starting with the consonant sound, and we are using with a. At the same time, children, you have to see there are many words, though they are starting with vowels, okay, but their pronunciation is like a consonant sound. Their pronunciation is like a consonant sound, so we are putting a here. Okay, so as you can see, some of the words are like there, like a university. So children, now some word is there like a university. Now children, see the word a university. Now you can see here, children, you can see here that university is a word which is starting with u. University is a word which is starting with u, but the pronunciation is university. Okay, the pronunciation is U plus university. So children, the sound here is U. Okay. So children, a university is there. So children, since university is a constant sound YU, so we are putting a before this word. So what could be the happen? A university. So the pronunciation is like a vowel, though the word is starting with a vowel sound. Generally with vowel sound we keep what? Generally with vowel sound, what do we keep? We write an. But still here the word is starting with a vowel sound, but it is pronounced as the consonant sound. Now then we will take another word, a European. Now again, similarly like university, European is a word which is starting with European, you can see, and that's why, since y is pronounced as consonant sound, so we are writing a European. Though the word is a vowel sound, e is a vowel sound, okay, the rule is we always put an before the vowel sound, but here in this vowel sound, what is happening? The word is pronounced here in this vowel sound. The word is pronounced with what? the word is pronounced with an European. Okay, the word is pronounced with YU, a European, and that's why you can see I have put a here in front of the vowel sound. Okay, so here the pronunciation will be a European. Now, then we can take the next word. 1 rupee note. Now children, this one is pronounced as one, isn't it? This one is pronounced as O-N-E, is pronounced as W-N-E. This one is pronounced as W-N-E. Okay, so you can see children, this is pronounced as W-N-E. So you can see children, it is 1 rupee note. So here we will write a 1 rupee note. Why? Because children, though one is starting with O with the vowel sound, but pronunciation here is W and E. The pronunciation here is W and E. That is 1. Okay, W and E is pronounced here as 1. Alright. So it is 1 rupee note. Well, then children, we use an before words that begin with the vowel sound. Now children, we will come to an and an is used with a word that is used with vowel sound, like an orange, an elephant, an apple. So these are the words which is starting with the vowel sound. Okay, so but children, there are many words which is having a silent H is there. Okay, so first of all, an is pronounced, is used with a vowel sound, like an orange, an elephant, an apple. Now children, some of the words are there where H is silent, like you can see hour. We don't call it, we don't pronounce it hour. We never pronounce it hour, we pronounce it hour. What do we pronounce? We pronounce it hour. No, we pronounce it hour. That means H is silent here. Okay, we pronounce it hour. Okay, so that's why we use here an. What do we will use here? An hour. Hour. H is silent here, so we are pronouncing here an hour. Okay, an honest child. Okay, you can see here an honest child. So again children, we will write an honest child. Here H is silent. Okay, so you can see here H is silent. So here an honest child. Alright. An heir. Who is still an heir? A person who inherits all the money or the property when somebody dies. So children, what will be the pronunciation? An heir. And here again children, here H is silent, so the pronunciation an heir. This is the pronunciation, so we are putting an before this sound. Okay, so this is clear. Then an honor. You can, one more word I have written here children, an honor. Honor, again H is silent here. Okay, what do we say? Honor, and we put an because this word is pronounced as vowel. So this is an honor. This word is pronounced as vowel. So this is an honor. Now, so now you have used children, where do we use a and an? Some of the words are there. So children, some of the words are there which is which is both used as an or an. Okay, just because of the sound, it is having a vowel sound, we are putting an. And some of the word it is starting with the vowel, but it is starting with consonant sound, so we are putting a. Children, sometimes abbreviation are there like MP and NP and MP and F. Okay, FBI and FBI. So you can see these are the words which is starting with consonant, but they are vowel here. Okay, so we can use a or an before singular countable noun. So children, and children, again children, a and an is used with, second point is that a and an is used with singular countable noun. Singular like a cat, a year. So you can see a or an is used with singular countable noun. Wait here for a minute. What is a minute? That is 1 minute. It is a singular countable noun. Wait here for 1 minute. It is a singular countable noun. She scored 180 points. 100 means 100. 100. So she scored 180 point. Now, children, sometimes we use one, so we don't use any a or n before it. Like, do you want one sandwich or two? Okay, do you want one sandwich or two? So here we are using one, so we are not using any singular or plural countable noun. We are not using any singular or plural countable noun. Do you want one sandwich or two? Are you staying just one night? So you can see with one we are not using anything. I just took one look at her and she started crying. Close one eyes and then the other. Close one eye and then the other. We also use one in phrases such as one day, one evening, one spring to mean a particular but unspecified day, evening, spring. Hope to see you again one day. So you can see we are not using one, though it is starting with vowel sound, one, O-N-E, but we are not using here an. With one, we never use a or an. With one, we never use a or an. Okay. अरे मोहित जरा सा हर्षित से तो नीचे ही बैठे रहे, हमको पानी की बोतल भर के दे दो, मेरा जाने का टाइम हो रहा है। और अरे मत बोलो भाई, मत चिल्लाओ, इसको हटाओ, जरा सा वीडियो खराब कर रहा है। So some of the letters are starting with you can use a or an. Some of the letters they are starting with vowel sound, but they are used as what to say. They are used, though they are starting with vowel sound, but they are pronounced as consonants. So we, according to the sound, we are using a or an. If the word is starting with consonant sound, but if the sound is a vowel sound, we will use an. But if some of the letters they are starting with consonant sound, okay, but they are having vowel sound like N, M, P, M, A, M, P, and FBI. Okay, so you can see here we are using here an. All right. So now children, the other point where we use a or an, We use a or an with singular noun when we describe someone or something, or to say what type of thing someone or something is. So, children, we use a or an with a singular noun. That try to understand it. We use a or an with a singular noun when we describe someone or something, or to say what type of thing someone or something is. English has become an international language. English has become an international language. Okay, so you can see an international is something. It used to describe what? An international language. International is a adjective which is used to describe language. Sydney is a beautiful city. So we use a or an with a singular noun when we describe someone or something, or to say what type of thing someone or something is it. Indirectly we can say, children, a or an is described with adjective, like before adjective, like Sydney is a beautiful city. So here we can say, children, Sydney is a noun and it is described the same city, beautiful city. So beautiful is an adjective, and what is an adjective? It comes before a noun. So children, a or an will come before adjective. Sydney is a beautiful city. So you can see here, children, I'm writing it, then you try to understand. Sydney is a beautiful city. So children, this is adjective, this is noun, and a is used to describe what? Sydney is a beautiful city. A is used to describe a noun. A is used to describe an adjective. Sydney is a beautiful city. It is used to describe an adjective. Okay. Now, but if we say that someone or something is unique, that there is only one, or that it is the only one or of its kind, we use the. Children, if something is very unique, okay, but if we say that someone or something is unique, that there is only one, if that is unique, that there is only one thing of that time, or that it is the only one of its kind, we use the. Okay, okay, like English has become the international language of the world. English has become the international language of business. English has become the international language of business. So children, it is the only kind. So if it is if it is only of one kind, then we never use a or an. We always use the before it. Like English is a language. Okay, English is a language which is international language of business. Now we use a or an to say what a person's job is, or was, or will be. Now, children, when with the name of the profession, we, whether it was or it will be or it is, we always use a or an. Like she was a company director when she retired. Now company director is a name of a profession. Company director is a name of a profession. She was the company director when she retired. She was the company director when she retired. Okay, so you can see this is the name of a person. She was the company director when she retired. All right. So again, children, against her parent wishes, she wanted to be a journalist. She wanted to be a journalist against her parents' wishes. She wanted to become a journalist against her parents' wishes. So this is a thing. She wanted to become a journalist against her parents wishes. So this is again, children, is a name of a profession, and that's why I'm using A. I'm a production manager. Okay, so I'm a production manager. She has been appointed the head of the company. Again, head of the company is showing in indirect way, it is showing the manner. She is the head of the company. Now, children, with the superlative adjective like the biggest, the most expensive, the superlative adjectives, which is followed by a noun, okay, or we use the, like, he is the finest young player around at the moment. He is the finest young player around at the moment. That is the highest building of the world. It is the longest river. So superlative, with the superlative, we always use the. With the superlative, we always use the biggest, the most expensive. Okay, then children, when there is only one of a particular thing like the sun, the world, the north pole, okay, we use the. When know there is only one thing of a particular thing like the international market, there is only one thing like that. The jet age, only one thing like that. The north pole, only one thing like that. The sun, only one thing like that. The word, only one thing like that. The arms trade, the travel industry. Now children, when such things are there, when we hint them in a general way, then those are, the will be put after them. Like children, like the weather. In weather, we will always put the climate, we always put the in front of the climate. The human race, the atmosphere, the sea, the public, the environment, the sky, the ground, the wind, the future, the past. So these are the things where we use, children, the. Okay, then children, the is used when we expect the listener or reader to be able to identify the things or person we are talking about. Helen has just bought a house in Wilson Street. So we use the when we expect the listener or reader to be able to identify the thing or person we are talking about. Helen just bought the house in Wilson Street. Okay, so Helen just bought a house in Wilson Street. Helen just bought a house. Helen just bought a house in Wilson Street. A Korean student in our class has had to go home. The Korean student. So here we will write the Korean students has had to go home. Children, that means the student who is from Korea. Okay. We will never say there is a bus coming. We will say the bus is coming. We are waiting for some particular bus. There is a woman from the bank on the phone. Okay, we will never say there is a woman. We will say here he is in a meeting with the woman from the bank. He is in a meeting with the woman from the bank. So we also use the when it is clear from the situation which person or things we mean. What do you think of the table? The table we are looking at. The taste is lovely. What is this sauce? The sauce here means a particular sauce. The tree looks a beautiful now that it is spring. The tree looks beautiful now it's a spring. Now children, the is often used with noun before a phrase beginning of the phrase. Okay, now each new word has a different meaning. The country has a rapidly expanding population. So children, you can see I'm using here a with the adjective here. All right, so children, sometimes we use the or a and with the things which is generally used. Then children, we put the or zero articles and sometimes a and or an when we know that the things are in general. Okay, I'm studying geography at university. So here we are putting zero article. We know the things is in general. Geography is a taken as a general subject. It is taken as a common subject. So we are not using either a or the. I can smell smoke. So we use the with the plural or uncountable noun. We are talking about a specific thing or people. Now children, when we use with this, the is used with the specific things or people. That means with a particular things or with a particular people. The book you ordered have arrived. The book which you have ordered has arrived. The book which you have ordered has arrived. All the information you ask for is in this file of paper. All the information. Okay, whatever information you have asked for, it is in this file. And children, when it is used in general, we never put the or a or an. Like flowers really brighten up a room. Now children, here we are talking about whole flower. We are talking about all the flowers in general. Okay, so we are talking about all the flowers in general. The aerospace she is an expert on Swedish geology. Okay, she is an expert on Swedish geology. She is an expert on the geology of Sweden. So now children, if we will write she is an expert on Swedish geology, okay, among other Swedish thing, and she is an expert on the geology of Sweden. That means she is an expert on the geology of Sweden, specifically the Sweden. Okay, now children, here geology is the subject mentioned with Sweden. Okay, so we have to write the with the geology. Why with the geology? Because geology is the particular subject which we are mentioning it here. So children, if we start for the particular thing, then we have to put right, we have to put the it is the nowadays people are talking about COVID. It is a common statement. Now children, this statement is a thing which is become common nowadays. So we are not putting here the, but if I will say the statement about computer, the statement which he had told is very important. The statement which was told by the minister is very important. So you can see here the statement which was told by the minister. Now the camera which was used by him is very nice. So we are talking about particular camera. Now children, or children, then children, the comes before the before the person. Children, you can see here, when that has been reported, like he is a boy, the boy is very brilliant. So you can see children, two statements are here. One statement is this, he is a boy, and the second statement is this, the boy is very brilliant. So children, when boy will come for the first time, then we will use a. When the boy will come for the first time, we will use a. But when the boy will come again, then we will use the. So whenever children, any person, when it comes for the first time, we use a, but any person when it comes for the second time, what we will use? We will use the. Okay, so you have to remember this. When it will come for the first time, we will use a, but when we will use for the second time, it will be used as the. Okay, so this you have to remember. Now I hope children I am clear to you. Whenever a will be there for the first time, when something will come in the sentence, then we will use a. She is a girl. The girl is quite talented. she is a girl, the girl is quite talented. So for the first time we are using that girl A, and she is quite talented. That girl is quite talented. You can see, children, when the girl is using for, when we are telling that about the girl for the second time, then we are using the. So with this, children, I will be continuing my lesson once again. Thank you and have a nice day.